Your privacy and security are at risk on Instagram until you enable these hidden settings in your Instagram app. To do that, firstly open up your Instagram app and tap your profile picture. Tap on the three dot menu, scroll down and tap on message and stories replies. Honor that you're going to select security alert. Be sure that these two settings are on. When they are on, Instagram sends you alert so you can quickly notice suspicious activity and take action if someone's try to access your account without your permission. Be sure you turn both of them on. Tap back again, scroll down and you're going to tap on website permission. Honor that you are going to select browser settings. Scroll down and enable safe website browsing. When this is on, you're going to get warnings when potentially unsafe sites may be trying to steal your private information. You need to enable this on. Tap back and we're going to tap on message link. This is the major settings that you have to enable. When this is off, absolutely you are not safe on Instagram, because Instagram is not like Google, Chrome, or Microsoft Bing that have a stronger protection when it comes to browsing against unsafe website. When this is off, whenever a hacker or a scammer sends you a link in your message email, by the time you click that link, they are going to have access to your information. So you need to turn this on so that every link that will be sent to you will open in external browser like Google or Chrome or Microsoft Bing that have a stronger protection. Is going to detect if that link is a spam or if that link was sent by a scammer. It's going to save you and your information. Thanks for watching. This is what I wanted to share with you. Let me get your feedback in the comment, and also don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips if you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.